this video, I'll show you the best under-sink water filter. It's a high-capacity purifier with its own faucet for families. Installed under the sink, it provides clean water on demand through 4-stage reverse osmosis. It's certified to remove PFAS, PFOA, and many other contaminants. Here's what it looks like. It's installed right under your sink. Once set up, you can drink directly from your sink faucet. Here's the filter. Replacing it is simple. Just twist out the old one and put in the new one. It comes in 2 versions. Now let's look at the product info. The under-sink model is superior. It removes more contaminants and adds more minerals. It can purify large volumes and alkalinize water. It has a 4-stage reverse osmosis system and an alkaline booster. This raises the pH and adds beneficial minerals like calcium. With a dedicated faucet and under-sink installation, this product is ideal for households seeking mineral-rich water all day. After purchase, you'll receive a complete system including a pre-filter, activator, reverse osmosis filter, VOC filter with mineral enhancement, special faucet pipes, and installation kit. Here are the product specs. This product is scientifically proven and NSF certified. It removes 84 water contaminants. If you want to buy, I'll leave a link in the description and comments. Click to purchase directly from official Aquatruwater store.